Hello and welcome to the video blog in 60 seconds. Today we'll be talking about ViClean I 100, the new shower toilet from Villeroy Boch, the first shower toilet that looks just like a normal toilet, with no visible cables or connections. Precision workmanship and high-quality ceramic, coral and Duraplast materials ensure premium quality and lasting durability. The ViClean I 100 can be quickly and easily installed by one single person, and the packaging serves as a clever mounting aid. We also supply the matching VConnect installation systems and connection sets. To install the ViClean I 100, you just need to plan for the conduit and a mains electrical connection in advance. Otherwise, installation is just the same as for a normal toilet. Maintenance of the ViClean I 100 is also made simple, as troubleshooting info is provided directly on the integrated service display. The electronic components can be accessed via a service cover, and the whole unit can be replaced if necessary. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune into our next episode. See you next time.